In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your washer fluid reservoir on a Jeep Cherokee, which is located in the engine area. Once you raise your hood, locate your reservoir, which is right in front of your battery. You have one 10mm bolt on the top. Put that off to the side, jack your vehicle up, and you now have to go through your driver's side wheel area for the rest of the bottle. You want to raise and support your vehicle safely. You want to take out these 5 19mm bolts. I'll put this back in by hand a little bit so the wheel doesn't fall off when you take that 5th one out. After you remove your wheel, you can have a series of bolts and clips. You have an 8mm here, air in here, you have a clip here, in here, and you have one 10mm bolt there. You need to remove them all. Now you have your clip up top next to your strut. These are 2-piece. They will come out obviously in 2 pieces. There's your first piece. There's your second piece. Same thing here. Take your center out. Take your 10mm bolt on the bottom off. Take your splash shield, pull it down. Put it aside. Now you can access your windshield washer reservoir. Now we need to unplug these 2 plugs. You can start with this one here. You want to slide this tab outwards towards you. Sometimes it will come out. That's okay. Push on that tab and pull towards you. This one you can get with a pick from underneath. Push towards you. Pull up. Now onto your hoses. You definitely want to put some sort of catch bottle or something underneath because all this washer fluid is going to pour out. You can make these. All I did was take some hose, put a screw in the end of it. When I unplug this, I can push that on, and now it won't leak. Some will come out, but at least it's not all of the fluid in this bottle. Pull that out, put your cap on, just like that. Take your hose out of its holders, put that off to the side. Now for this hose. You can try taking this hose off here, but it is hard because it comes in from that back side. So what you can do is you can remove your bottle, twist it, and now it's right in front of you, and it's a lot easier to get to that hose. So you can start by taking this clip here that holds this harness, pull that towards you out of its holder. Now you can get to your 10mm bolt. That off to the side. Inside here you have a 10mm nut. You're going to have to remove that. Now you have a 10mm nut right below it, right there. Pull your washer bottle towards you. Unclip your hose. And now you have that other hose that goes into your washer motor that you can remove and plug. Now you take it out, just put it off to the side. This is a little tech tip for you. Because it's such a tight fit and you have to maneuver this bottle to get it back into place, take your cap completely off. That way you don't break it in that process. Now you can maneuver your new bottle in. Like I said, it is a tight fit, but if you twist and turn, it will go in. While you're trying to do this, don't forget you have your bottom hose that goes to your pump, the one that was in the back that was hard to get to. It's always a good idea to plug it in now before you do that. Fish it up through, plug your hose in. Take your 10mm bolt, start that, tighten it by hand. Take your 2 10mm nuts, start those. Tighten those up. You want to torque your two nuts and your bolt at 60 inch-pounds. Push your tube into your holders. Take your two plugs, plug those back in. Wait for your click. Stick your red clip into your connector. Push it on, push that red clip down. After your red clip is clipped, you want to take your hose, run it behind that, plug it into your washer motor, and install it into your bottle. Now you're ready to put back your wheel liner. Take the front side of your wheel liner, tuck it up inside your fender. Put your clips back on. And for your reinstall, line up your holes, put these in by hand so you don't cross thread. And give them a snug. Now that we have our wheels back on the ground, we're going to torque these at 100 foot-pounds in a crisscross manner. Take your top bolt, start it by hand, tighten that. Now you want to torque 60 inch-pounds. Install that. Fill your washer reservoir. Make sure your windshield washers work and the pump works, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.